Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something exciting to share with you all. If you're in California and have CalFresh benefits, you're eligible for free Lifeline phone service through AirTalk Wireless. And guess what? You can even get a new phone for free. So let's dive right in. I chose to get the Cat S22 Flip. There are a lot of phones that are eligible for purchase, but I chose this one due to the push-to-talk feature that it has, which was a cool feature when I was a kid that I liked and I used frequently as well. So let's unbox this Cat 22 Flip. Here we have the Cat 22 Flip, a durable and practical flip phone perfect for everyday use. As you can see, the packaging is nice and neat and compact, and they open it for you and set it up for you. So when you get it, it's gonna be looking like this. You're gonna have the SIM card underneath. You're gonna have the phone with the battery already installed. It might already be powered on, like this one is, I guess. And then inside we have charger, and adapter. Looks like it's USB-C, so that's nice. Also, in the box we have, it looks like, oh wow, that box just came right apart. Looks like we have the manual, quick start guide, and then as well as the terms and conditions in English and in Spanish. Looks like it uses the nano SIM card, as that's the one that they poked out. And this is the overall shape of the S22 Flip. The S22 Flip comes with 3 different external buttons. There's this one here, which has 3 different options. The first option is push to talk, and then it has a second option where you press twice, and a third option with a long press, and you can program those in the settings. AirTalk Wireless is a CalFresh EBT benefit in California. You can get free Lifeline phone service through AirTalk. This means that you can get a free phone like this Cat Flip S22 at no cost. They have a variety of phones to choose from, including new phones that are either free or discounted. Applying is super easy. You just got to use the link in my description below to get started. You'll need to provide some basic information and prove your EBT benefits. The process is quick and straightforward. Make sure you have your EBT benefit eligibility paperwork with you as well. A lot of times though, they can actually verify this online, so a lot of times you don't even need that verification. So there you have it. This is the Cat S22 Flip. It is military grade spec 810H. It's waterproof, dustproof, and it's rugged, durable, and resistant to a lot of different things. So I'm going to go ahead and start using this as my daily phone. Looks like it has Cat here. I think it's pretty cool. It also has these 2 spots right here for a dock. So if you want to get a dock, you can dock it in there, and then that is going to be kind of like a walkie-talkie type situation. Again, this is the push-to-talk button. It also has 3 different features. Push-to-talk, which is the first feature. Second feature is double press. Choose any application. I'm going to set this one to hang up or pick up the call. And then also you can do a long press, which I'm going to program for the camera. Let's take off our little things here, because this is always the best part. Oh wow, that one just came right off really easily. Where did it go? Well, looks like Phoenix might, oh, here it is. Oh no. Oh no, Phoenix is gonna eat it. Well, oh well. Now we'll take off this one. These are really weird. They don't really come off very well. They stick to the body of the phone just as much as they stick to the screen of the phone. That's funny. Got that one. And the best one, the one inside. So this says IP68 military MIL spec 810H Cat S22 Flip. Cat. I think that's part of the screen. It is. You have a front-facing camera here. You have your light sensor here, your camera and your flashlight, or your flash for your camera, your front display, which actually looks pretty nice. And then on the back, you have your battery, again, the place to dock it, volume up, volume down, charging port, and the port for this, which is the headphones, because this phone has an FM radio. So you can put headphones in and then listen to the FM radio that way. The cord for the headphones becomes the antenna for the radio, and that's the device. So stay tuned for possibly more follow-up and reviews, but that's the the S22 Flip. Bye-bye.